Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will learn how to enter data into our table. Now we need to consider two things here. First we need to say where we want to put things, like insert where. Okay, so this is not actual command, this is like a pseudo structure of command. And after that the second part will be what? So you have command, insert, and then you have actual values. So let's go with actual command. Insert into, so we are defining location, friends, okay, and this is table, okay, and not database. We're already here in database. So after that we will use normal brackets, just like you're creating a function in programming. And here we need to state actual columns that we are going to use, their order basically. So first thing will be ID, after that name, after that last name, after that telephone. Okay, and down there we need to use another syntax, keyword, values, okay, and after that we need to group actual things, critical data, like concrete data. So we will use, in this case, for ID, okay, so here when you say null, it's like saying I'm leaving to database to calculate the next ID. So this null doesn't mean that we are creating some kind of column right now. This null means like, okay, fine, I don't want to be bothered with this system, just grab the next ID. Okay, so this is not a column, this is like a handle for system, do your stuff with ID automatically. After that, in a single quotes or double quotes, let's use single quotes, we will use actual value for name, for example, John, and after that we need to separate it like we have separated here. So we are following basically structure from above. The John, for example, Smith, and after that telephone will be just normal number without quotes, so that will be not string, that will be actual number, because if we put it like this, then it is like string, like a bunch of characters, but this actually means real number, right? So let's actually do that. So insert into tables, which is friends, in this case a little bit of space, and then we will deal with ID, name, damn it, last name, and telephone, and then just press enter and say values, open bracket, null, system do your stuff, actual value John, actual value Smith, and actual telephone number like 111-333, whatever. After you are done, close your command with semicolon, and result is fine, one row affected in that specific number of part of a seconds. Right, so here's the thing, how to extract our entry? Well, we have a new command, and remember this, you will use this all the time, directly or in a script, PHP for example script, select star, which means all, from table, and table is friends. Okay, semicolon, don't forget it, and there you go, you have your first entry. So let's enter something else, like insert into. Now please note that we are here working manually. I mean, we are into terminal application, into terminal client, so of course we are doing stuff with our hands, keyboard, but basically when you create HTML form, this will be like breeze, so you will not manually do this syntax, you will just state the actual values. Right, so insert into friends again, and ID, name, last name, and telephone, and enter, values, a little bit of space, and the actual stuff, null again, so it's up to system to decide. Next ID, the actual name will be Anastasia, and surname will be the great, I don't know, I'm not creative about names, who cares. And telephone will be, of course, number 555-777, something stupid like that. Close the command basically with semicolon, enter, and there you go. So let's extract the data again. Select from friends, type semicolon and enter, and there you go. Now you can practice a little bit with a couple of these, imaginary friends, but it's very simple. Just use this syntax: insert into name of table, columns one after another, then go to next line, type values, part of a syntax, null for the next ID, automatic one, and then actual elements, the real stuff. And then you will extract the listing with this line, which is very, very simple. So thank you for watching. As always, thank you for support and subscription, and see you next tutorial.